Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 25th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, I hate to sound like a broken little record, but we had another disappointing day today. And as you might expect, the Dow made another all-time record high today. This chart may not look like anything, but actually, this high here with about 2 hours to go represents a record intraday high for the Dow, and the close represents a record close for the Dow. But it wasn't very exciting. The Dow closed up 64 points. So what happens to us on a record day for the Dow in Biden's bull market? We had positive $9,000 on Friday on the close, and we closed out positive $8,000 today. Well, that's not too bad. We only slipped $1,000 there, but the problem was in the lineup of positive trades that we closed out. We only had 5 positions coming in, and of those 5 positions, one of those was Grom, which we closed out with positive $5,500. Well, $5,500 close would normally, I would consider that a good trade, but I cannot forget that Grom briefly on Friday was up positive $43,000, and so we have seen a drop there of over $35,000 in that one stock. Very disappointed. No evidence at all that it was going higher today. Actually, if you heard my video on Friday, I expected the thing would probably go to negative, so at least it didn't go to negative. But we're still looking at a $35,000 drop from its high on Friday. Then, so all that's we can live with, but we got into 15 positions, and then it just continues more of the same. Only 3 of those are positive, 12 were negative. So we're dealing with this problem of just the vast majority of the trades we get into suck, and in spite of this higher Dow, they're just all around bad trades. And of course, if things go south at all tomorrow, we're holding negative $9,000 on those, and that could get pretty messy tomorrow if things go south with 15 positions. So it's just all around ugly. Even though on the surface we closed out 8,000 and carrying negative 9,000, that's not so bad, but the $9,000 could get a lot worse. Let's look at 2 of the stocks today. I'll show you our best one here today, and this is CDEV, which is Continental Resource Development Incorporated. We bought Continental Resource Development Incorporated with about 3 hours to go on Friday. It closed quite positively for us, but then really gapped up this morning very nicely there, and we're not quite at the high of the move there, but we're pretty close, and it tailed off after we got out, so that looks like a really good trade. And we took $5,200 out of that's Centennial Resource Development Incorporated. I think I said Continental. No, it's Centennial Resource Development Incorporated, CDEV. Unfortunately, there was one nasty trade in those 5, and that pulled things back for us. This is ACY, which is Aero Sensory Corporation. You can see this is kind of a thinly traded market, and we got into this at the end of the first hour on Friday, and then it just kind of fell apart there and down harder this morning, and that cost us $7,100. You might say, well, what the hell is that doing in the portfolio? I will tell you, the last trade we had in this, just the day before, I believe, we made $5,000, and the one before that, which just is a couple days back, we made $6,000. And overall, this is a good performing stock, but this was not one of its good trades. Anyway, that's the way it went this Monday, and I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday.